Today, the snow is melting, so it's a good day. It's little warmer than the last week. So I let my young birds go, so they settle down. And they have been going up and down. They're not really flying yet. Too young for it. But I see them, they are just going up and down. I let 2 old females with them to settle them down. So there is one female flying on the loft. She's making circles. I think she's coming right there. Yeah, so that's the one. The other one is Kingston. So that's Kingston there. She has only one leg. She came from 500 kilometers and with a broken leg, and so she's not flying. She's not doing any races anymore. She's retired. But she's training my young birds to settle them down. So let's see. So all the young birds are here.